What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 4 and today's topic will be how to read password protected PDF file using Python. In the last tutorial, which was tutorial 3, in that tutorial we have already seen how to read PDF file, normal PDF file which is not protected by a password using Python. So in this tutorial, as I mentioned, that I'll be going slowly in the some more advanced or complex topics. So this is the advanced version of the last tutorial. In the last tutorial we did the same thing using a normal PDF file, and now this is a password protected PDF file. So no more talk, same thing will be purely hands-on coding based tutorial. So first of all I would like to open the file. So this will be our sample file. So I know the password, so it will be total technology 1234. Basically this is the same file like last one, and but it is just I just protected the file using password. So last tutorial we have using the sample report.pdf, and this tutorial we have used we are using this thing protected.pdf. okay, so let's write down the code now, how to do that. So more or less the structure will be same, only minor change, only very basic change, only one word actually is changed from the last tutorial. Okay, so how to read password protected PDF file using Python. So I'll be going to use the same library, Python Plumber. So what I'll do now, so sample PDF link I'll be going to provide here. So first thing, read operation, then it will be get the PDF metadata, then read page operation, next thing also read page operation. So I don't think this is required, so this are the things. Okay, so let's open the thing, same thing. Okay, so first thing, import PDF plumber. Okay, then with PDF plumber dot open, then I'll write protected dot PDF as F1. okay, so I got the PDF. Now if I do this thing, let's try to do this thing. I think we'll get one error. In the last tutorial it worked actually, but in this tutorial we'll be getting one error. See what is the error now? See, password incorrect, because we haven't provided any password over here. So for doing that you have to use password equals to total technology 1234, like this. So you can create a variable, you can do it dynamically, you can place one different file over here, and in that file you can write your password, and after that you can do that as well. So we can do that as well. So let me create a file over here, text file. So password.txt. okay, so I'll write like total technology 1234, total technology 1234. Let's close this thing, save this thing, and we'll try to read this file. So import IO. So and after that here actually with IO dot open. okay, password dot txt as F2, password equals to F2 dot read, and after that we'll just close the file. So what I'll do, F2 dot close. okay, then let's try to print this thing now, what is there in password. okay, so for the time being I'm just keeping this thing comment. okay, at comment block, let's print this thing. See, I got this thing. okay, so now what I'll do, we got our password. okay, so let's make it a dynamic. okay, like ideal case, remove comment block. So here it will be in our case this is a string variable, so it will be password. Okay, let's try this thing now. Perfect, it's working. Okay, now let's try to read the metadata. Get metadata. Okay, how to do that? So meta underscore data will be f1 dot metadata. Okay, and after that let's print this thing metadata over here. Okay, right, we got the metadata. So let's put this thing here. So first of all, sample PDF link, then read operation. So I think do whatever is like last tutorial. The main part is this thing to read. Okay, after that the remaining operation is like this. Okay, okay, like this, and let's put this thing read file, then here it will be get metadata, and last thing is like page operation, get text from the page and page count and everything. Okay, so there will be one extra thing, duplicate, so it will be get count of pages. Okay, so this thing. So next thing is get count of pages. So get the page count. Okay, so pages equals to f1 dot pages. Okay, then for page, so it will be print length of, so it should be 18, as you know our length is 18 only. Okay, so let's print this thing, we'll get 18. Just to re-verify here, so it will ask for password, total technology 1234. See, it is 18. Okay, like this. Okay, so next thing is done as well. Okay, so let's write down this thing over here as well. Okay, so let's do it here. Get page count. Okay, the last thing is that how to get the text data from every page, or extracted text data. So here get the text data from every page. For that, actually this is again simple for loop for page in pages, right? And then we'll be going to write page dot extract underscore text. Okay, so let's print this thing. So see, all the text came, so nice looking. Okay, so all text came actually. So this is the complete tutorial, guys. So basically if someone is already watched my last tutorial, for him it is actually quite comfortable, and actually he will be also comfortable that only this part is different. As I told you, only word or one minor changes, that is the main thing. If your password, if your file is password protected, you have to use this thing. If not, you don't need to do anything, but remaining things are same. So guys, as I told you, I'm going very slowly. I'm going to cover each and every details, so in the future you can easily apply those logics immediately on kind of a portable thing. So this is also going to be like kind of prototype for you to building your other automation use cases. So if you have a use case like you have to read password protected PDF file to generate CSV. You can easily use this block. Only things you need to change, do some the modification on the data to generate the CSV file, but that also will be covered in the next tutorial or the later part of the tutorial. So definitely, if you are looking for some sort of complete end-to-end operation or end-to-end automation process for your project, for your company, for your client, or whether you are entrepreneur or your freelancer, whatever, this is the right tutorial. So that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. But before like moving to the end, I'll upload the source code, I'll upload the PDF, and I'll upload the PPT. So guys, before I upload the next video, I'll this is actually my personal recommendation. Try to do some sort of coding, try to do some sort of practice, try to develop some use case logic. If you have any difficulties, please feel free to write me, or if you have any different use case, if you want me to cover, please write me. I'll try to also include all those things, but don't just sit idle and watch my videos. It will not going to help you. So that is the main thing. So that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you should not miss any notification from the next time. If you have any suggestion, feedback, or complaint, you can please feel free to write. I'll always try to improve our quality. And thank you very much for each and every Udemy students for purchasing this course. It's actually helping me a lot to do more contents for all of you guys, and same thing applicable for all of you. If you are having any question, doubt, or any clarification required, or have difficulties to understand anything, please feel free to write me over Udemy. I'll always there to answer your questions. So that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.